Oiljaib cyn Siúlóid tá go híomh ina teid na saoir bes le dia agus tá le caiicis ná a bhanis airún éitin an tabháisteach trúm láileog mé agus sunní marsúla te go linne sunní. Si bhí se riocht ní an bá riocht ní an líoró teachlucht ar cín tá sunní a scofanta. So ceann scofanta fit ag an coníine sin ag mu inis sé rabbit de conín mé zoom mucha banana coníine ceall prasís tá seo coníní teir in na saoir is lóta rabbit san in na saoir. Tá sé fairsin F-A-I-R-S-I-N-G. That means plentiful. So tá na coníní fairsin in na saoir. They're plentiful in the saoir. There's loads. Tá seo coníní. Seo is a word we use here meaning a lot of something, loads of something. So tá seo coníní in na saoir. Tá na coníní fairsin in na saoir. Fairsin meaning plentiful. So the coníní, the rabbits are plentiful in the saoir. Agus Mari Mara, as I was saying, the day is lovely, and knew you my video, fish and mad. I haven't done the video now for a good while. YouTube. I recommend it. When is the last time? I think it's been a couple of me. Well, it's probably since February, by these mashing. I imagine at my grúgach. Busy, that's the word we use here, grúgach. Grúgach meaning busy. So I've been busy for the last couple of months, but I need more an arm of you. La fisha and certainly footy a yuna. I haven't really had the time to make kind of longer videos. I've been imagining a galore fish and guided. I do lots of short little videos when you have more an arm. I do lots of kind of short little videos because they don't take up much time. After I bet you should put YouTube shorts. You may have noticed I've been uploading on YouTube shorts. I usually upload a video maybe once or twice a week on YouTube. The short videos are the have been made Instagram agus TikTok fashion. Marders these are guided. Fish and guided. These are God. I mean, as I said, it's just the shorter videos. Usually a minute or less. So longer videos take longer time to process and edit. Ruth imagine in this machirach. Nive more on agahorat tastel and I won't need much editing for this mathematics. Siúlóid is a kite. I'm just walking and talking. Agus the magic raw ruddy my hagging to the machlika. I'm just saying things as they just come into my head. So there's no Níl are flan, níl are script. There's no plan or script. It's just, as I said, as the thoughts come into my head. My hand agus sunny, inshallah. Agus, the whole in Dublin, it's the Dublin there. It's kind of rocky beach, Dublin. It protects cussing the Dublin on board. That's no the farigi over from the big seas. As well, ní fargi mór an well, the couple of me mile well, hopefully we won't have any big seas now for a good few months. That's till catch I mean the sauna till it's after October at least, and maybe then you're more likely to get the big seas. That's what I'm not wasn't too bad this year. All the Galway on Carcalore, we had lots of seas, gales, and big seas, but no tidal surge, no, there was no threat to the roads. Well, there was nothing that bad. Near no Nora, not like the threat that was from Owen or Eowyn from the year before. That was bad, alright. But ní tá dear gan ar a Lord, and we were extremely lucky that there was no high tide when that storm struck. So we were lucky in Tarn. Bhí an tá dearg oran. Bhí an tá dearg oran. We had the red luck on us, tá dearg. That means when you're emphasizing that someone is extremely lucky. So bhí an tá dearg ar nárá Lord. We were extremely lucky that the tide wasn't high when the storm struck. I stadium, the Violet Stadium. So kind of our piece island is to much John the Chinese is after Dr. Chnoig. Nism Gifach in the time to the North China. Kind of Seer, this is the name of the place here. Chnoig, on Chnoig. Agus Shadow North in this chart is a honey fair tank. This is kind of, we're nearing the place where the so-called Farah tank came ashore back in the, not sure, was it the late 30s, early 40s, I think. Mar going to move. I think Pages Garabashigile Dark go down. They might have been a casualty of World War II, and he was stuck with a Sawney Corp the bossy. Sawney sort tank corrupt, and some kind of a tank of a thing, and the local men here carried him all the way over to the graveyard and gave him a burial chop of here. You can clean this Kajira came again. I can't remember exactly what year, but it would have been Ashastai Nisam Tusnahoidi Jedin the Tichati Betis, or early 40s or late 30s. Yeah, just similar. Yeah, certain months in not in summer over the Dolan there came ashore. That's a symbol. In the claw or TG Card, there was a documentary done on TG Card about it. Farah Tank, it's called. Don't know if it's on the player or not, but anyway. That's a symbol. Agus, shiny someone in the dinner on it. That's so long imagine the pathway episode in the path. We should guess any in the Harvey and the I guess in Canelli and the Mio and the guess. Maar those method tan varchan mehenix my van and which grugach. Like I was saying there, I was wanted to do another episode of Play a Spree. Play Sonny! Their brother, the Kunini. He's looking at the Kunini, but he has a ball in his mouth, so hopefully that'll deter him from. Ní mai gur mu a carasca an the Kunini. Connart in the Sunday. Connart in it. Ma bubu. Yeah, so a budget. But if you're really macano, but the was not just episode of one worse than me, and the budget could even if we can just do one episode per month during the summer months, that'll be much grúgach. So told me Martha, good gee, stowy, mouth over, being much sort of grúgach, and as a grúgach, channel, sour, she's not my oceans. Been the stranger in the Turrisody heart, but and even more on almost Gary Doidagus. You know, lots of in the series very busy in the summer, pretty much from kind of March until September, end of September, thereabouts. So hopefully it's some better in the year. These journeys from the end, there was not an episode. Marvin was on the worst of chat. What have you much on the worst of chat? And there's just Shachni. We did an episode per week for about 10 weeks straight. And you're watching the Goma, and you're watching the Donna, Goma. We were doing good, doing well at that. We've been Agahoidach, Agus, Sam, Agus, that's that Kylie Burger, Tristan Katu Irish, when you have a small toddler, and you know, it's difficult to get time to do things, and Yeah, it's very jerry, and you can do it, but it just takes lots of planning and etc. And cat of us a mood. Listen, you have to be in the mood to do a podcast and that as well. So smile imagine the podcast. I like talking and doing podcasts, but cat of us a mood. You have to be in the mood and but go bhá muid sinna. Beidir níon mar tiile gona cinálte fís an deach bheith móisiúla le sunnaí agus deachsart bhí cinna hasteach mo chluigean bhíon steach mo cheán sin agus na curlú sin as the curlú sin. Hín steach mo chluigean mo cheán sin sort agus phlé. Se cear go leor mar se bhaim héin agus sunnaí slán go fóir.